Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin by learning the foundations of Sharia law: the Quran, the Prophet's Hadith collections, consensus called Amma, and an illogical reasoning called Qiyas. Learn Arabic basics to access primary texts and memorize common legal roots. Aim for reading simple passages and key legal terms. Compare Sunni and Shia source hierarchies, noting different Hadith acceptance and juristic methods. Map how theological positions shape rulings, and keep a glossary of terms like fiqh, usul al-fiqh, Amma, Qiyas, and fatwa for quick reference while studying. Focus on methodology. Study usul al-fiqh, the principles that guide legal interpretation, including contextual reading, language analysis, and objectives of the law maqasid. Learn the 4 Sunni madhabs, Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi, Hanbali, and at least one Shia tradition to compare practical rulings and evidentiary standards. Practice case analysis. Identify the relevant text, determine its legal weight, apply an illogical reasoning, and state a reason ruling. Use timelines and flowcharts to trace precedent and decision steps during each case study. Create a practical study plan with weekly measurable goals. Read 3 pages of primary text, analyze 2 hadiths, and complete 1 case analysis per week to build steady progress. Break study sessions into language practice, legal methodology, and historical context blocks so you integrate Arabic reading with juristic technique and history. Keep a research journal with sources, questions, and tentative rulings. Seek mentorship from qualified scholars, attend study circles, and present your analyses for critique to refine reasoning and practical application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.